Creativity has never been so much fun than with image art. Image art is a unique water-side transfer paper which allows you to create your own decals. What makes this product exciting is you can use personal photographs, original art, and clip art, and much more to make your own decals. Image art works on a multitude of surfaces: plastic, glass, wax, wood, metal, tile, pottery, ceramic, and enamel. Here's how it works. Scan the image into your computer and adjust to the size you need. The image must fit a 5.5 by 8.5 image art paper. If using small images, try to fill up the paper with all the images. Today, we are using one image. Make sure your printer is a laser printer. Print your image to the surface of the paper and allow to dry. Next, choose your surface you wish to embellish. We're using a KraftyBlok for this project. Make sure the surface is clean. Carefully trim around your decal. Drop the transfer into the water. Still if possible. Allow to soak for 30 seconds. Large transfers may take longer. You'll know it's ready when the transfer starts to slide away from the backing paper. Remove the transfer from the water and place it over your surface. Slowly roll the backing paper from the transfer. Place the transfer onto the surface and slowly remove the backing paper so the decal rests on top of the surface. Now use a paper towel and pat dry and squeeze all the air bubbles from the decal and let it dry. Here's a neat trick. To permanently set your transfer onto a glass or ceramic surface, place the surface with the transfer into an oven. Transfer facing up. Now bake at 345 for 15 minutes. When time has expired, prop open the oven door and allow to completely cool, about 20 minutes. When cool, your project is set and ready to use.